Hi, today's topic is function. Let's take a look at the definition of function. A function is an equation or relation that has only one answer for y for each x value. Let's take a look at example. Y equal 2x. Y equal 2x can be in a table form, can be in a graph form. So there are three different ways to represent the same relation, y equal 2x. So when x equals 0, y equals 0. When x equals 1, y equals 2. When x equals to 2, y equals 4. So for each x value, there's only one matching y value. For each x value that we input, that is one y value. So therefore, this is a function. Y equals 2x, the line y equals 2x is a function. Now let's take a look at next example. Y equals 4x plus 1. So we can represent this in a table or in a graph. So there are three different ways to represent the same thing, y equals 4x plus 1. So let's take a look at the table. When x equals to 0, we get y equals 1. When x equals 1, we get y equals 5. When x equals 2, and then y equals 9. So for each x value, there's only one matching y value. For each x value that we input, there is one y value. So therefore, this line, y equals 4x plus 1, is a function. So now we can make a conclusion or linear equation of function except vertical line. We call them linear functions. Now let's take a look at the vertical line. Let's see what happened to it. Some relation had more than one y value for each x value. So here we have a vertical line, x equals 2. So we make a table. There's only one x value, which is x equals 2. When x equals 2, we can see 2 comma negative 1, 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2. For the same x value, there are so many y value. So therefore, this is not a function. Because for a function, you have to have one matching y value for each x value. So this is the reason vertical lines are not functions. Now I'm going to ask you to take a look at the next part. Number 1, multiple choice. Is this relation a function? So let's take a look at this table. When x equals 0, y is 7. When x equals 1, y is 8. When x equals 2, y is 9. For each x value, only one matching y value. So therefore, it is a function. The answer is yes. Now let's take a look at number 2. Is this relation a function? So we have x equals 4, y equals 0. X equals 4, y equals 1. X equals 4, y equals 2. For the same x value, we get three different y value. So therefore, no, it's not a function. Now let's take a look at number 3. Is this relation a function? We have a line y equals x plus 1. When x equals to 0, you get 1. When x equals to 1, we get 2 as a y value. When x equals 2, we get 3 as a y value. Definitely, this is a function. Y equals mx plus b, a line, is a function. Only vertical line are not a function. So now you can see the answer for number 4. Is this a function? This is a vertical line, x equals 3. It is not a function. A vertical line is not a function because when x equals 3, we had many y values that match. 3 comma 0, 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, and 3 comma 4, and keep going. So therefore, it's not a function. Now we finished today's lesson. I am going to ask you to write a lesson summary and go to do 4 multiple choice questions just like the question that we did.